We create your world according to your imagination, living up to the maxim. For the last 40 years, Nitin Steel Fabricators have touched the lives of people of Gujarat and its neighboring states by providing them a commitment for strength and service. Established in 1974 under the vision and guidance of Mr. Nageenbhai Nathubhai Panchal, NSF has been a rapidly growing fabricator for all types of heavy steel structures, roofing and erections, with specialization in distillery tanks, silos, chimneys, and all types of outdoor and indoor home fabrication works like grills, gates, etc. The company's annual production is 1,500 tons. NSF has to its credits a number of legendary projects. Located in Bardoli, housed in a vicinity of 32,000 square feet, NSF is well equipped with world-class machines like shearing cutting machine, hydraulic press, shearing bending machine, Trimmins bending machine, power press, milling machine, lathe machine, MIG welding machine, CEE and ZED press section machine, rotary drill machine, digital welding machine, derrick, radial drill machine, welding sets, welding rectifiers and welding generators, etc. Like any other successful company, the success of NSF is credited to its proficient and competent technical team who have all the capabilities to produce, test and deliver high-quality products at all the time. NSF products are specially designed and developed for purlin and girth applications, which not only provides economy to the building construction, but also helps in keeping the site clean and environment-friendly. NSF sections are accurately roll-formed from high-strength zinc-coated steel, pre-punched to the required dimensions to provide efficient, lightweight, economical purlin and girths. These products are suitable for roofs, wall support and portal framing up to a certain span. The system, which includes bridging and comprehensive range of accessories, is also supplied as ready for erection. All the products delivered by the company are chemically and physically tested through high-tech laboratories for a high-class output. The company is particular about using high-quality raw material supplied by trusted sources like Hindustan Metal and Tubes, Megha Corporation, Shiv Pipes, Shubham Trading, to mention a few. NSF is making constant efforts to strengthen the art of technology towards full automation. Compared to other companies, the products and services provided by NSF are reliable, along with the assurance of in-time delivery of products with the best services. NSF has also been known for providing technical consultation for structure design and is pioneer in providing faster fabrication works with expertise workmanship. Thus, with fresh ideas and new projects every day, NSF is constantly moving on the path of advancement with the sole aim of achieving their vision of providing the most economical services in a timely manner.